This is, my husband drank my coffee. My Willebus coffee, and that's why I'm so angry now. I was going to tell you about the nice shoe, but okay. Blame him, it's not me. Anyway, so today I'm showing you the Wildebeest Sable. That is what this looks like. This is basically a rattle boot. You know the rattle boot? If you don't know the rattle boot, go look at previous videos to find out what is the rattle about. Anyway, this is the Sable. It's basically a rattle but met a harder sole. This sole is very hard. You can you can gooi your husband with the shoe when he drinks your coffee, which I might do after this video. That's a good idea. Anyway, you cannot, okay, you can bend it if you want to, you know, ons oprol skoene, it does not roll up. This one is not a oprol, this is just to stay flat. Okay. That was funny, sorry. So, yeah, this whole video is a bogger op. Anyway, this is the Sable boot. Rattle upper, hard under, and yeah, very much grips. Met 'n hakkie, and it's only available at the shopping Kempton Park or on the line. So get yourself some rattles, and if you don't like the shoe, just get the shoe because I made a video. I mean, this is a what is the shoe's name? It's a Sable. Go get yourself some Sables because it's fun. It's gonna last very long because this is a double layer leather and it's very hard underneath. So this is gonna last you a very long time. So invest in some of these ones.
Wildebeest, elke man se natuur.